how to recover disabled Facebook account without ID. So if you want to recover your disabled Facebook account, then what you need to do is first you just need to go with your Google or your Chrome browser or any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Google, and then go for search, and under search you need to search for Facebook account recovery. And here you can go with the first option, which is recover your Facebook account if you can't log in, and it will take you to the help center of Facebook. And now what you need to do is simply scroll down and then choose an option, which is if you think your account was hacked. So simply tap on it, and then here you need to choose an option. So I'll be choosing the first one. So if your account has been disabled, and if you remember your email address or your mobile number, or if you have access to that, then you can simply go with reset your password and your problem might be fixed. But even resetting your password, or if you don't remember the email or mobile number, then you need to simply go with find your account option. Tap on find your account and it will take you to the page where you just need to simply enter your mobile number or email address, whichever you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing email address. Tap on continue, and then if this is your account, then you just need to simply go with continue, and you'll receive a code to the email address and you'll be able to log into your account. But if you don't remember the email address, then you need to go with try another way, and from here you can choose the other email address, or you can enter the password to log in. Or if you've added your phone number, then you will receive another option, which is send code to your phone number, or send code through text or through WhatsApp. You will have a bunch of options, so you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with, and then once you've choose, tap on continue, and you will receive a code to the email or mobile number, whichever option you've chosen. And after entering that code, you'll be able to recover your account. So in this way you'll be able to recover your disabled Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.